You hit the link in the description for a discount and special offer before you even think about publishing your course. Yes, that exact link. Your future self, very proud. All right, Teachable's free plan. What can you actually do and where are the walls? Quick headline, you can launch a real course and take real payments, but you've got training wheels on. What you can do, build and publish one course that people can pay for. Videos, text lessons, downloads and comments. Host your content. No separate video host needed. Upload and you're set. Create a simple sales page with your brand colors and logo. On a Teachable subdomain like yourname.teachable.com. Accept payments via Teachable's checkout. They handle taxes and VAT so global sales don't become a spreadsheet nightmare. Enroll unlimited students. Yes, unlimited. No cap on eyeballs. Basic student management. Track enrollments, see lecture completion, issue refunds, and send basic emails, basic coupons. Run a promo code to nudge fence sitters. Now the limits, the fine print you actually care about. Publishing limits, typically one published product. Course empire dreams? You'll need to upgrade. Fees. Expect a per-sale fee that stings more than paid tiers. That's the free plan trade-off. Branding. You're on a Teachable subdomain. Custom domain mapping is paid. Advanced sales tools, order bumps, upsells, bundles, affiliates. Mostly beyond free. Your funnel will be minimalist. Certificates and advanced quizzes. Graded features are limited or paid. Want gamification? Plan to upgrade. Integrations. Native and deep options are restricted. Zapier and email tools connect, but extras live higher up. Admin seats. Typically one owner. Team roles are for higher tiers. Support. Docs and standard help. Priority support is a paid luxury.